In this video, I will show you how to use shortcuts to insert an arrow symbol on your PC. For upward arrow, press Alt plus 24. For downward arrow, press Alt plus 25. For right arrow, press Alt plus 26. Left arrow, press Alt plus 27. Left-right arrow, press Alt plus 29. For up-down arrow, press Alt plus 18. For up-down arrow with base, press Alt plus 23. Now filled arrow. Upward filled arrow. Hold Alt and type 30. Downward filled arrow. Hold Alt and type 31. Right filled arrow. Hold Alt and type 16. Left filled arrow. Hold Alt and type 17. Thank you for watching this video.